True Jamaican vibes, fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in Southfield, very cool place. Southfield, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man. So all the people them who look house to buy, yeah man, me up on the main road. That's a Kincaid main road, right off of the main in Southfield, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so I show you one local area still, one house very close by up on the main. So you can call, I give you the number. And I will see the front view, but if you get a perfect view, you have to visit the location. Just call the person and visit the location if you want to see the specs of the house. Alright? So keep on watching the paper. One love and one heart. Big up on yourself again. Yeah man. So this is the area still. Southfield, St. Johnson Furniture Store. Just to show you up on the main. So now I have an understanding what I go on. So I take a walk now and show you what I go on with the house. Just a front view. As I say I pass by. And I kind of see the house for sale. So I show you what I go on, you know. You know, see I find a little corner shop. Same way anywhere you go up on the countryside of Jamaica. Now you find no corner shop, you know. So right next to Dreams Bar. So I go and see house for sale and I'll see it there. Showing the WhatsApp number. So if for any information, you all can contact this number. The number is, as you can see, I don't know if it's an overseas number. Yeah man, you can contact it on WhatsApp. It's a 976-979-3102. You have nice land space also. Just are giving an outside walk. As I say, contact the person, the number for further information, alright? You can see perimeter fence around also. So leave in the comment section, tell me where you're watching from. I know with the Southfield, and this place is very close to Lover's Leap, which is about 6-minute drive away to Lover's Leap. So I show you the perimeter fencing, you know. Also, about 10 minutes drive to Junction Town. It's a very nice area. When you talk about the climate cool and nice. When you look on the Southfield side, very cool place, very close to Monroe. You know, Monroe is a very cool area. See, I get them nice cool breeze there coming from the Monroe side. Yeah, man. See there again, my people.